So, this is a part 2 of the fastest way to make it to the end and build a boat. The other one was a short and it didn't do good, so yeah, I'm gonna make this a real video. This is so scuffed. But yeah, this is like 30 minutes of stuff. I have not tested this. And no, you cannot join. No, I don't think there'll be any problems. If there are, it's probably gonna have something to do with the track. It's also uneven, so I might not go straight. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it's definitely uneven. Oh. Well, that's a problem, huh? So I know what's wrong with it. The box is uneven. I mean, it looks uneven. Oh. How far does this go on for to the end? No! You're not gonna join! What is he saying? No one knows. Dude, I have no idea what you're saying. Let me try to type something. Hola. ¿Cómo está? How do you spell ¿cómo está? I don't know. I'm not a Spanish person. Español. Español. I have no idea what Espanol means, if I even spelled it right. No. What is no in Spanish? Espanol. I don't know what I'm saying. No, I don't know if that's how you spell meal. Whoa. 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 I changed it back. Bro, what are you doing? What do you want? Time. Yes, time. Oh, what the hell? Oh, yeah, I know what I did wrong. Oh, no. That's already not a good start. I mean, it's more even, but like, I don't think it's working. I don't think that worked. Wait, what happened to the track? Bro, what happened? What went wrong? What happened? The track just fell. This is gonna take forever.
I forgot the M.
Here we go. Oh no. Okay, so I've done some more work. And I've made it, I think it's even, I haven't tested it. But I made it as even as possible, and I made this ice. I figured it would make it easier. So, yeah. I still have no idea if it's gonna make it to the end. I'm just kind of hoping. It dropped. It's good. It's good. It's good. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, dude, it's like perfect. Oh, never mind. Okay, attempt 2. Why does that happen? You know, I feel like this one was a fail. If we just make this tower taller, then it will work. Okay, so this is definitely high enough. But maybe it's too high. What? Why did I just start moonwalking? Now time to climb up the ladder. Ah, we're finally up. Down 2, 3. Well, no, attempt 3, version, I know, attempt 1, version 2, go. Yo, it's working! Oh! Jump, jump, jump! Bro, no way! Oh, collect it! That's time, right? That's good, right? It's collecting it! No! It didn't work. Why are you like this? Yeah! Let's go! It worked. Bro, it worked. Blue Man, it worked. It worked. It worked, dude. No, don't. It worked. So, I've made some changes. And I'm gonna set it up. I do believe it will work. It will, no matter what. As I told it to. What? What is happening? Did I just find a way to walk through anything? What? Wait a minute. Oh. I can literally just walk through walls now. Wait a minute. See, I can walk through walls, no problem.